um, in that the practical SCR triggering circuit shows for that the circuit diagram. Here the kit in that the circuit diagram, whereas the SCR in that the SCR their terminal is that the cathode, their terminal is that the anode, and their terminal is that the gate. Whereas that the diagram, the diode connection in that the kit, the diode is that the placed for that the here, and that the diode connected through that the resistor for that the output voltage in that the CRO 330 ohm. Here that the connected through that the diode connected through that the cathode for that the and that the anode terminal. Here the in that the Ig calculated for that the 22K. Here the 22K resistor connected for that the in that the kit for that the SCR triggering kit. Here the TP get Ig connected through that the circuit in that the negative for that the multimeter connected through that the SCR gate, and that the positive for that the resistor, and the TPSC positive for that the next terminal of that the resistor, and that the negative for that the ground in that the cathode. In that the DC voltage connected through that the positive is that the diode here, diode and resistor here, and that the negative for that the ground in that the cathode. Nako. In that the CRO cable for that the positive is that the across through that the resistor, that means the anode to cathode. Today we will start the practical MSc first year group C. Here the first practical shows for that the SCR triggering circuit. In that the SCR triggering circuit, we the to build and that the study for that the SCR triggering circuit. Here used for that the CRO in that the DC power supply, voltmeter, current meter, also function generator FG. Here in that the kit, here the shows for that the circuit diagram in that the kit, whereas that the SCR in that the SCR for that the cathode, anode, and that the gate. Here the gate is that the connected through that the gate current for that the negative power supply connect for that the SCR gate, and that the positive for that the resistor in that the and through for that the ground. In that the circuit, the diode are connected to for that the resistor DC power supply, and that the DC power supply through that the 7 volt. In that the observation for that the SCR triggering circuit, here the DC voltage observed for that the 4.9 or that the 5.0. Here the wavelength of that the Y. Here this is the after triggering for that the SCR circuit, the wavelength for that the Y. Here the firing thyristor, here he shows for that the X, and that the firing thyristor for that the shows that the Y. In that the X in that the Y, here is that the 4.2 centimeter. In that the triggering angle for that the formula, in that the X divided by into 360 degree. In the, after that the firing thyristor, we calculate for that the different gate current, or that the different gate current, or that the different X, and that the different Y. Here overall for that the calculating for that the triggering angle for that the different gate current, and also we calculate for that the in that the CRO the waves for that the shows the X angle and that the Y angle, different calculation for that the SCR voltage to anode volt. In that the SCR, the voltage to anode current shows for that the in that the multimeter we calculate for that the reading voltage to anode in that the voltmeter. Here overall for that the SCR triggering circuit.